everyone. Today I have a caprese salad, but it's my way. Why do I say my way? It's because I just found this beautiful cheese. It's kind of a mozzarella cheese made with soy milk and nuts. So apart from that, I'm gonna use kale instead of rocket salad. And this amazing gift I just got the other day from someone very special. It's olive oil and balsamic vinegar pearls. Alright, so I already got the tomato and the cheese, so it's a bit faster. And what I did with my kale, I just add 1 or 2 spoons of the pesto. This is a vegan pesto as well. I'll be doing it myself, so I'll share with you how we do a vegan pesto, alright? I'm just gonna place the kale in the plate. You can do it with your hands or with 2 spoons, as you feel more comfortable. After placing the kale in the plate, what I'm going to do is put 1 slice of tomato and then
a slice of the cheese and then tomato.
plating is up to your liking. This is just an idea. Like I said, we just place 1 tomato and then 1 piece of cheese. I just added a bit of salt and pepper to my tomato before placing it in the plate. The dressing we're going to use is the pearls. Placing the last piece of tomato and cheese. Like I said, it's just an idea, but if you want to change it, it's up to you. It's up to your liking, however you want to. And of course, if you're doing a massive portion, then you might need a big bowl. What I'm going to do now is to add the pearls in the salad. Remember, this is a fully vegan salad. It's gluten-free, it's dairy-free for those who are lactose intolerant like me. Have this kind of pearls at home. Just be careful when you are plating it because it's very easy to break. And if you break them, like I just did, if you break them, it's gonna be messy on your plate. Cooking and plating, it's up to your feeling, alright? Don't let anyone else come and put their spoon in your plate. I just spread a bit the pearls around the plate. And to finish it, I'll just add some of the microgreens. Remember the other day I told you you can buy them in any supermarket. Like I said, it's super easy to make. It takes a few minutes. If you have any questions about the pesto, if you really want me to make the pesto, the vegan version, and if you have any questions about anything on this recipe, just let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching the videos. It makes me so happy. And I really hope that some of you are cooking at home the recipes I'm sharing with you. But that's it for today. Thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon with a new adventure or a new recipe. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Bye bye.